Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this beat shake edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to split between the video, between the clips, and just do that to all of your video. I'm doing this on an edited video, but you can definitely do it on a non-edited video. I'm just going to delete the rest. You are going to then select your videos, go to animation, select in, and add in the swing top left. Hopefully this one is the swing top left. I think this one is the one, not this one. This one's swing bottom left. And add the duration to 0.2 seconds, and you're going to add that to all of your videos. Like so. You can also do this on your phone, by the way. It's basically the same. Go to effects, and you're going to go to video effects, and you're going to go to opening and closing, and you're going to add in the slanted blur. I think it's here. Yeah, add this in and make it like as small as possible. Maybe like not too small, maybe like this kind of small. And have the blur up to 100 and the rotation to 70. And again, you can definitely do this on your phone as well. It's the same, but I just find it easier to do it on PC because it's just easier to, move around. But I understand that not everybody can do it on PC. So then I'm just going to again copy and paste it on top, but make it slightly longer and have the blur to 50. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I did the rotation on 70. So on 7, sorry. So I have to go back and edit that. Oh. There we go. Then I'm going to copy and paste it on top. And then I'm going to make the blur to 50, and again I'm going to copy and paste that to all of the videos. There we go. Then we are going to add in the shake. I'm not quite sure where it is. I think it's in nightclub. Yeah, it's in nightclub. Add in the shake and have the strength to 70 and the speed to around 25. And you're going to make it as small as the first effect. You're just going to copy and paste that once again. You can right click it, but I choose the shortcut Control-C, Control-V. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!